All right, as a beginner to Pipedrive, you're probably wondering what is going on with this tool that your company bought. So let's go over the most important areas that you need to know. There's contacts, deals, activities, and I mean that's about it. So let's jump in. We'll start at deals because that's the most important section, and then we'll move on from there. So let's look at deals here. This is where the magic happens, and you've got some activity-based selling, which is kind of a Pipedrive thing. So there's these little. Let's start with these little icons, these colored icons. These are amazing because when you have an activity for each deal, then it will give you a little color code. These colors all mean different things. Red means it's overdue. You know, when you hover over it, it'll say. Yellow means you don't have an activity scheduled. And so the activities are connected with the deal. So let's open up this deal. The deals are the same thing. If you used other CRMs, it's the same thing as an opportunity. So, or in some companies, the project. For your world, you'll know what that is. And here we can see that activity that we have. I need to call John today. And so that's why that was green back on the deal view. So this mind bend deal, I clicked on it and I can see there's an activity right here. And that ended up in here because, and there's a few different ways that you can add it, but you can add an activity here that you need to do, schedule it for the future, hit save, and now we have a call or a meeting or whatever the next step is. And if you want to see all of your activities in one place, so that's the deal section. And if you want to see all of your activities in one place, you're going to go click here and you can see all of your activities and you can say, let's just look at what do I need to do today. So I have these two things. I need to call ABC and Mindbend today. And so there's these filters right here and you can sort through the activities. So that's one of the things that Pipedrive is best at. It's these activities associated with all of your deals. So when you go to your deals, you have your pipeline, you have things that are real in here and that make sense. And you have a guess on what the value is going to be. And then you have an activity scheduled. And now you've already got 80% of Pipedrive covered right there. And I'll cover just one more thing, and that's your contacts. So when you go over to your contacts right here, you can see it kind of looks like a contact card, the icon. And then here's where you can add a person. You can work with me or a sales op person at your company to get your contacts all imported in here. You can add them from your phone with the mobile app, but essentially you get all your contacts here and you can stay on top of what the next step is based on a contact as well. And log your meetings, log your notes. But that is your intro to Pipedrive. Hope that helps. Rock on.